What up, what up? Alright, so for the past couple weeks, maybe a month, I've been hearing this sound on my car. Pretty annoying. Sound like an exhaust leak, so I'm gonna check it out. I bought this smoke machine off of Amazon. It's an exhaust leak and vacuum leak detector. So we're gonna put it to the test and see how good it does. Alright, so I'm gonna just pop this O2 sensor off of here. Got that out. I made this plug myself, so I'm gonna plug it up. Plug in the air line. Boom, and it's ready to go. Yeah, that boy's smoking now. We're gonna plug it in there and see where the exhaust leak is coming from. Yeah, that thing's leaking bad. Yeah, it looks like it's coming from the back of the cat. I would say it's a gasket leak, so I'm gonna replace those. Here's my high flow pre-cat delete. We're gonna jack this bad boy up. Put them on some jack stands for safety. We're gonna take off the coolant overflow tank. Next, we're gonna take off the fan. 2 bolts up there. There's 1 bolt at the bottom you loosen up. Pull the fan out of there. Detected a broken bolt. So we're gonna take these 3 bolts off. Get under the car. There's 3 bolts under here that you take off. And look at this gasket. That thing is a mess. We're gonna take the ignition coil out for a little bit of room. Pull this cat out. Yeah, you see that black spot? I'm pretty sure that's where the leak's coming from. Check out the inside of this bad boy. Yeah. I'm gonna remove the heat shield. There it is. Straight hollow. I'm gonna put the new gaskets in there, tighten them up. If you like my video, follow and subscribe. Thank y'all, I appreciate it.